Hey, what's going on, Citywide Electric? Just wanted to send over this quick video because I think there might be an opportunity your business might be missing out on. So if I go over to Google and I type in electrician in Midland, Texas, a lot of companies come up. Corey Sly, D&E, Texas Spread Electric, and down the list here on page one. Unfortunately, y'all's business isn't showing up here on page one. Um, if we go over to this keyword tool, we can see that there are almost 400 searches for electrician in Midland, Texas. So that's 400 people looking for the services that y'all provide. But unfortunately, about 90% of people, when they Google something, they're not going to get past the first page. So it's going to be really hard for them to find your company if you're not showing up here on this first page. Okay, so we just wanted to go over real quick the number one factor Google uses to rank websites, and it's something called backlinks. And backlinks are links from other sites pointing back to your site. Google sees these as votes, so the more votes that you have from other websites, the higher Google is going to rank you. We put your website into this tool that we have for backlink building called Majestic, and we put your website in and it pulls up 25 backlinks from 18 referring domains. If we go and look at your backlinks, we can actually see the quality of your backlinks. So the higher the number in the trust flow here, the more trust flow is going to be sent to your website. So all these ones with 0 in the trust flow really don't do anything for your website, and they actually can hurt the trust flow that your website's getting. If we go over to one of your competitors, we can see that they actually have 110 backlinks from 25 referring domains. And that's why they're ranked right here in the number one spot on Google. All right. Now what you can do is actually you can see which websites they're getting their backlinks from. Um, you can click on any of these and you can go and get a backlink from that website as well. And that's how you can increase your trust flow, which will help your website rank higher. But anyway, yeah, that is backlinking in a nutshell. If done correctly, it will help your site to rank higher and on the first page of Google where all that traffic is coming in. One issue I did want to talk to you about also, when looking for your website, it is at citywide-electric-texas.com. If I actually go to that website, it routes me to this other website that's obviously not yours. So I don't know if you had a domain that expired. This is actually a cached view of your website, so this isn't live. Um, I don't know if that's something you would want to discuss as well. We are a digital marketing agency, so we do full website builds. We can do the SEO on the website, get it ranked on the first page so that you're getting a lot of traffic for that website, and hopefully just get more leads, more customers into your business. You're probably wondering who I am. My name is Sean Nelson. I run a digital marketing agency in Midland called OEI Digital. If any of this is something that you might be interested in talking about further, I'd love to get on a call with you. I won't pitch anything, obviously. We just want to get to know each other, see if we might be a good fit to do business together. But anyways, we'd love to hear from you. I don't want to take up any more of your time. I know you're busy. But anyways, again, the number is 432-287-7788. We'd love to hear from you.